how to fix Instagram sign up error on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram sign up error easy and quick. First, open settings, scroll down until you find apps, and then click apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it, and then click storage. Now clear data and click OK, and then force stop. And if you have an iOS, just delete your Instagram and install it again, and that's it. Then restart your phone, turn off your Wi-Fi, open Instagram and turn it on again, and I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.